How do you test a complex option strategy before committing capital? How do you track an idea from its conception through its entire life cycle to see if your thesis was correct? Introducing Saved Trades on SensaMarket, your dedicated hub for strategy development, risk analysis, and performance tracking. Let's explore how it works. Let's say you're developing a collar strategy on Google. You've configured the legs and carefully analyzed its risk profile, including the maximum potential profit, loss, and break-even points. Before executing, you want to validate this strategy in a simulated, risk-free environment. Instead of placing the order, click Save Trade to begin monitoring its performance. Here, you can name your strategy and, crucially, document your reasoning. Add your market thesis, key price levels to watch, or any notes that will help you analyze the outcome later. Your strategy is now saved and being tracked. You also get a unique link to share your analysis with others for feedback and discussion. Welcome to your Saved Trades dashboard. This is where you can monitor the effectiveness of all your trading ideas in one place. Our Google Collar is right at the top with its performance updated in real time. This allows you to see how its value changes in response to market movements, directly testing the viability of your original idea. The action menu gives you full control to edit, view, or mark the trade as closed, helping you maintain an accurate record of your strategic decisions. To enhance your analysis, you can create custom groups. Categorize your trades by thesis, like earnings plays or volatility bets, to identify which strategies are working best for you. Powerful sorting and filtering tools allow you to focus your review. Isolate specific groups, sort by expiration to see what needs attention, and review your closed trade history to learn from past performance. Saved Trades is your essential tool for a disciplined and analytical approach to trading. It's an environment to experiment with new strategies, understand their behavior, and track their performance without financial commitment. Refine your approach, validate your ideas, and build a powerful playbook of your strategic decisions. Start mastering your strategy today. Only on SensaMarket.